Welcome to the video on using command line interface for runtime administration. Data Exchange provides functionality to perform the administration operations such as starting, stopping, or resuming a BDT or a CDT for a stream. You can also query the status of a BDT or a CDT for a stream using the command line interface. When you install the Data Exchange Runtime Administration on your system, the command line interface for the runtime administration also gets installed by default. To perform any administration operations using the command line interface, ensure that you have the privilege to perform the operations in DEMS. Now let's move towards performing the administration operation using command line interface for runtime administration. Open the command line interface for runtime administration. Let's run the help command to view the various operations that you can perform. These are the various operations that you can perform. Now let's see the syntax and various parameters that can be used with the command to perform an operation. Let's consider the example of starting a CDT for a stream by running this command. Here, you can see the syntax of the command and the parameters required to start a CDT for a stream. Now let's try starting a CDT for a stream. I have a stream named stream2 for which the CDT is not yet started. Let's start a CDT for this stream. All the required parameters such as name of the stream, audit file number, domain name where the administrative service is running, login credential of the user are provided in the command. You can also use Windows authentication or client certificate authentication for authenticating with the administration site. These are more secure options to use instead of providing the user credentials. For more information on these options, refer to the Information Center. Now let's run this command. You can see that the CDT for the stream 2 has started successfully. Now let's verify if the CDT for the stream 2 has started in the admin site. In the admin site, you can see that the CDT for the stream 2 is processing. Similarly, you can perform the other administration operation. For more information, refer to the Unisys Information Center. Thank you for watching this video.